I can make a picture disappear, but the memory's still in my mind, like the banks of Erie Everclear. I go back there all the time and find your house in the woods. I'd forget the way if I could, but I will never be over you. I will never move on, even when I get over you. Part of me will belong to you forever. I will die in your arms, but I will never be over you, even when I move on. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you don't have to call me anymore. I can hear the sound of your voice in the way the rapids hit the shore, and I can't escape the sound they make inside of my head. Most of the time I have no regrets, but I will never be over you. I will never move on, even when I get over you. Part of me will belong to you forever. I will die in your arms, but I will never be over you, even when I move on. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, I loved you in a past life. I loved you in a dream that I had. Now I need you for the last time, again and again. I loved you in a past life. I loved you in a dream that I had. Now I need you for the last time, again and again. I will never be over you. I will never move on, even when I get over you. Part of me will belong to you forever. I will die in your arms, but I will never get over you, even when I move on. Oh, 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 oh. We did it. I think that was good. I felt like that was a good one take. I wasn't recording. Just kidding.